Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this Honda Jazz Crosstar in stock for you. Came off a nice customer, we sold it from brand new. In this video I'll be showing you a walk around on the car, showing you any wear and tear done by the previous owner, also the spec on this car. So yeah, start off with it's a 1.5 self-charging hybrid. It's automatic gearbox as well, really nice cars. We got daytime running lights and automatic headlights, which are xenon projectors, front and rear parking sensors along with LED fog lights as well. Going around on the right hand side of the car, got 16-inch diamond cut alloys, which is really nice. Silver door wing mirror, got roof rails on top. That's how you recognize this as a Crosstar. Rear privacy glass, as you can see the body works really nice. Second alloy there. Coming to the rear, you got LED tail lamp. You do have reverse parking sensors along with your reverse camera just down there. I'll just show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really nice boot space. You do have storage space under there. 64 display side seat, really nice. Going around to the left hand side of the car, it's a third alloy just down there, really nice. As you can see, the body works really nice and well looked after, really low on miles as well. Interior, you got cloth interior, which is fabric. Down there we got a couple of USBs for you. The rear passengers, all 4 automatic windows. You got keyless entry on this car as well, as you can see. I'll jump in and I'll show you the interior and the mileage done by this car. So yeah, down here we got all 4 electric windows, which are automatic. Your locking system, your auto folding mirrors as well, which are heated and electrically adjustable. Down here we got your parking sensors, Honda Sense, vehicle stability and your headlight adjustability. Cup holder down there, and most of storage space, really nice. So the car's done 13,388 miles, which is nothing on the Jazz, as you can see. Just take it down, there we go. At average is in 58.3 miles per gallon. That's just over the last miles I've driven here. So we got auto headlights, auto wipers, multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Very nice. On the right hand side you can customize your screen along with your hands-free function for the TFT. You got navigation as standard on this car as well, which is nice. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth, hands-free function. Your climate control down there, a couple of USBs along with the 12-volt socket. More storage space down there. Your automatic gearbox, brake hold, ECON Mode, and your parking brake. Show you the reverse camera on this car with 3 modes. There we go. So yeah, so cars here with us will leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team to know more. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.